Alright, now Samsung has silently introduced a brand new feature on One UI 9. Currently, the S26 series is on One UI 9 beta testing. We are on beta 5. We have recently received beta 5. Along with that, we did get a brand new feature, which is pretty interesting, and we will go ahead and take a look at that. But before we do that, if you haven't downloaded our Volvus wallpaper application yet, go ahead, download it. We've got both free and premium wallpaper collections, some amazing video wallpapers and desktop wallpapers as well. Do check it out. The link for the application is in the description. Now let's go ahead. This feature which has been introduced now is about Now Brief. Let me tell you what I'm talking about. Let's go to Now Brief here. Now here on Now Brief, let me go ahead and tap on settings, and we have content to include mentioned here. Let me tap on this tab. You can see we have got a big list of contents. We can see health and wellness related information, digital well-being, smart home, travel, events and tasks, etc., etc. So there are many contents which will be included on Now Brief page. And now on One UI 9, if you scroll further down, you will see a brand new option, Pay Now. Now this feature could be region specific. This may show up in some of the countries. Here in India, this is showing up. What this does is, it will show the payment related information on Now Brief. Let's say you have got a bill due and you have to pay a bill within a specific date, then that notification will be available on Now Brief as a card. And that is going to be very, very important. Earlier, when Now Brief was introduced, I was not a big fan of that. It was showing some basic information and it failed many times to show the relevant information on the page. However, now you can see there are tons of information available and they are improving it every day. Recently, they added Nano Banana image creation, moments, gallery stories, traffic updates, etc. And now they have added Pay Now, which is fantastic. Now, when you enable this, it asks you to give you the permission for messages to show smart reminders for your upcoming bill payments in Now Brief. Pay Now needs access to your text messages. So what it will do is it will read your text messages. Whenever it finds a bill due or something, it will fetch that information and show it to you on Now Brief so that you are aware that there is a bill upcoming and you need to make that payment. Yeah, it's a very interesting, a very useful information which is now being added, and I'm looking forward to see many more information like this on Now Brief. And more importantly, it should always work and it should fetch the information and show the relevant information whenever needed. So that is a brand new feature which we are now seeing on One UI 9 beta. And if you want to see this feature on your phone, you will have to wait for One UI 9. If you're still on One UI 8.5, you may not be able to see this. This is something which I wanted to share with you guys today. Now, along with this feature, Samsung also introduced something called warranty and care information. It's a specific settings which is available on settings menu, and I have already discussed about this when we spoke about the One UI 9 beta 5. Now this is a dedicated page where you will see all the related information about your device and all the connected devices. You can see the warranty details. You'll be able to diagnose your device. You can directly chat with the chat bot here. It'll directly take you to the WhatsApp. You can request a repair, remote management. All that is available now on warranty and care. And this is one-stop solution for all your warranty and care related information, which is brilliant. Samsung is working on a lot of things, and One UI 9 is even more interesting. There are many new features, new changes, UI changes, etc. So that is going to be pretty big. I will keep you guys posted about all that's happening with One UI 9.5 as well. So stay tuned. Be sure to subscribe to the channel. That's about it. Thanks for watching. Guys, take care and stay safe. Cheers. Bye-bye.